Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Scanner Pro app review to see what using. So to get started with a quick analysis and breakdown about this scanning app review. Scanning Pro is a mobile scanning app that turns your iPhone or iPad into a portable document scanner. It's clear, high quality PDFs using the smart features like auto edge detection, shadow removal and OCR text recognition, making your scanned file searchable. The app also lets you organize, annotate, and share documents to cloud service like Google Drive, Dropbox, and iCloud. It's a solid tool for students, professionals, or anyone needing a quick and a clean scans on the go. However, some features like OCR and automation require a paid subscription. Scanning many page can be slow as each page must be captured at one a time. A few users have also reported minor sync issues with iCloud, despite that Scanner Pro is worth it. So if you want a sharp scan and reliable text recognition from your phone, it's a great pick for light to moderate scanning need, especially if you are okay with paying for extra features. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this scanning app review. Thanks.